Welcome to Nagaland TV Sob Malnagawas. Dimapur aru Chumoukedima 5 days pani purina flood hoina residents khandu bishi duk pai jeshe aru itu ekla noina councillor khandu winole district administration khandu winole advisory khandu witan itu affected area re jaina inspection kuri aji 12 July re deputy chief minister Patton lead kuina district administration commissioner of police urban development aru NSDMA aru alak department dan a company ikilo de ekta inspection jawale se 10 location de Dimapur aru Chumoukedima aru Niuland duman idlo opode details saiswa aru tan idu inspection jaina Patton wa tai press briefing chude ekta diwale se idlo opode bi saiswa ai
Haiku side itu signal fali aro itu Kota village side aro itu master colony aro business asal to business kan phozor da egna business koribo nala de phelai gena jabo chapara kan morning da hebo business koribo phozor de rasta de chapara to nala de phelai gena jai enega hoy gena tate bora tum nala to pura jam hoy gena tum doyang nishina enega hoy gena amagan esim colony de ahe gena तुम चपरा लगा तास्पिन पानी लगा तास्पिन ये नगा हो जाए तो पानी तो आरो न जाए तदे नगरजन पुलिस पॉइंट लगा प्रेस इतना से तो छोटो ये तो नीचे दो ले नाला पारा फंडिश होता है करना पूरा आरसीसी बना लो है आरो रास्ता दे तास्पिन फैला बोले मतलब साइड रखे वो तदे पाता बुना करना खोर बुना लो है तो रिवेन्यू का भी पाता तो शो तो कर बोल के हो जगह तो वेरिफिकेशन करेगा ना है शो कर बोल के तो छमेला वाला शुगले तो पता से अभी पता से कोई गना है तो पता से कोई गना तो आरो पब्लिक तो आरो को गुबरो नोरे आरो गवर्नमेंट पे को गुबरो नोरे इनका हो गना दिमापुर टोले माने पहला तो थोपी नाला फाली साथी भी फ्लैट के छे बोले भी सादे फाले तुम थेंसरे चा लगा नाला तो बुन गोरे गना सब फाले पोथा से तो ये तो करने हम तो पुही बन ना पारे एबन उठी गना या दे सब चर्च कॉलोनी से स्कूल भी 20-30 स्कूल आसे स्कूल जाबो पारे ना चर्च से जाबो पारे सुर भी बिसारो बोले एजुकेशन भी ना पारे आरो हजारा गरा मन किन का जाबो आरो खोडे हुमा बोले जाले बिजनेस गोरा लगा पा गरो मा दंगर खुरी दागे जोगाते भी नगा फात खबर नोरे हुमा बोले भी नोरे होइसे आरो तो प्रेस तो गरम गोरे गने तो प्रेस तो उठाय गना बोला दिबो लागे तो फायर सर्विस पे आई नो रहा है ये तो पूरा एक बार 20-30 हाउस होल्ड तो नहीं जली जाओ रास्ता जीवो लगे रास्ता तो आरो इतो पानी तो परमानेंट আছে पानी যে সমর্স হৈ যাব এনি টাইম এনি অলপ মনসুন জানা অলপ বেশি পানি আছে যেটো গরম আছে যেটো ফোর চলিলে কি যাতে ফায়ার ব্রিগেড গাড়ি যাব না পারে তো cannot claim us. Right. So when Niger Council bra rasta to alop sufficient nibo lage. At least 12-15 feet niche na lewe rakibo lage. Rasta nai. Any room gari up down go para lage. 3 months of chargeable. Yes. I think highest after I don't know. Highest after 20 years. 20 after 20 years.
Permanent solution babo inika icha si hope korea si sir amakan ekipar timak bi bia hoise amakan borai do kolini manu ita mental bi efi koya si tur di pajakan thakakan tarkan tadi pani khirli ama abonar si vasina nai inika phone kori thake to amakan ekdom diktar paise abonar bishi media bra paise bishi nukolibi jani kana ase kinika hoi kana holibi ekta rasta kholi kana amakhan laga ido permanent solution amakhan koloni survive koribo karoni sir muram bra side bi abona government bra enika request korea si thank you sir
apnar kan laga problem do sob honi loise aro amar TC CP disaster management team tai khan pra bi pura minge report to paise ami khan eto pra ami khan kun jaga de ki koribo etia immediate comprehensive report submit koribi koi kina tai khan ge direction ti kina ase yade main problem to ki ase কোন জায়গা পৰা এনেকা হৈ আছে আপোনাক কোৱা নিচিনা বজাৰ কৰি কিনা ইয়াতে ফেলা সেইটো কাৰণে টিএমচি মেম্বাৰ কান টেক কেয়াৰ ইউ হেভ টু গিভ ডাইৰেকশ্যন টু টিএমচি আৰু তো তোসৰা খান ইয়াতে কি নিমিতে এনেকা হৈ আছে তো আমি খান তাই খান ৰিপৰ্ট সাবমিট কৰিব সদায় চাল এনেকা তো কৰিব নিদিব উই উইল টেক কেয়াৰ এইটো আমি আপোনাক ক'বলৈ আহিছে
ফ্লাড তো হৈ থাকে কিন্তু এইটোতো অলমোষ্ট পাৰ্মানেণ্ট আছে ফ্লাড হৈ থকা লগা এইটো এৰিয়া দছৰা দিবি হৈছে দিছ টাইম ৰাউণ্ড আনএক্সপেক্টেড কলনিজ খান ফ্লাড হৈছে কিন্তু এইটোতো ফ্লাড হোৱা লগা জেগা আছে তো কিন্তু একটা ক'বলৈ মন থাকোঁতো চেয়াৰমেন ক'ত যাইছে এছ এম কলিন লগা এইটো আমাৰ খান এডমিনিষ্ট্ৰেশ্যন বি কাম কৰি আছে গভৰ্ণমেণ্ট বি চাই দি আছে ডিএমচি বি আহিব কিন্তু নিজৰ কলনি লগা মানুহ খান কাউন্সিল খানটো না অলপ ভিজিলেণ্ট হবি হয় ইফালে ইফালে ফেলাবলৈ নিদিবি ৱেষ্টটো না একটা ডিজিগনেটেড ডাম্পিং চাইট আছে তাতে ফেলাবি ডিএমচি খান উঠাই কিনে লৈ যাব তো বজাৰ মানুহ খান কি ব্লেম কৰি নাথাকিব আমাৰ খান না আৰু আমাৰ খান বি অলপ ভিজিলেণ্ট হৈ কিনে এইটো কোন জেগাতে ফেলাব লাগে কোন জেগাতে ৰাখিব লাগে এইটো কৰি কিনে আমাৰ খান ড্ৰেইনটো মেইনটেইন কৰিলে ভাল হ'ব এইটো আপোনাৰ কাউন্সিল খান যে কৈ দিয়া
হয় স্যার ঠিক আছে স্যার এইটো স্যার না আমাৰ কাৰণে সিম কলনিতে কোন চাপৰা ফেলাব 2000 ফাইন এনেকা কৰি কিনে আছে হলিবে ওপৰ সাইড পৰা হেতো আৰু এইটো প্ৰেচটো পিছি নিচে আৰু এইটো দাদা মোবাইল বি পাৰ কৰিব নৰে এইটো পৰা ফ্লোট হৈ যায় এইটো প্ৰেচটো অলপ
কমিশন মে লাইক টু কল আ মিটিং উইথ ডিমাপুৰ আৰবান ডিস্ট্ৰিক্ট না চেয়ারম্যান কাউন্সিল খান মাতি কিনা তাহান কি অলপ আৰু সেন্সিটাইজ প্ৰগ্ৰাম লাগা কৰিবলৈ একটা প্ৰগ্ৰাম ইনা কৰিব
আৰবান লাগা কাউন্সিল খান আৰু কলনি লাগা লিডাৰ খান এনেকা কৰি কিনা একবাৰ আপোনাৰ খান ডাঙৰ মিটিং ল'ব লাগে এইটো বিচেদি তাই খান কি প্ৰব্লেম আছে পুৰা নোট কৰি কিনা গভৰ্ণমেণ্ট লগত পঠাব আমাৰ ইয়াতে ডিমাপুৰ টিচি চিপি আৰু আমাৰ Rajya Sabha MP, my esteemed advisor colleagues, yade demand zone ase with media friends, yade leader demand ase, apna kan koa tu ami kan boti loise. Now we have given direction. Ami kan direction tise TC CP idu amar disaster management team idu comprehensive report joldi ponai gina ami ke pothabi koi gana to we have already given direction yate apna kan koa laga mi ekta tuida kobo ami yate pra 1969 70 71 72 government high school yate pra porise heto time de yate Dimapur to flood ki ase nagani এতিয়া তো ৰাস্তা ওচৰতে নালা ওচৰতে খৰ বনা পৰা হি ফ্লাড হৈ আছে দেই আমি ইয়াতে পুৰা টাইম দে 69 পৰা আমি 74 দে ইয়াতে আমি মেট্ৰিক ইয়াতে পৰা পাছ হৈছিলো সেইটো টাইম দে ফ্লাড তো কি আছে নাজানি এতিয়া আপোনাক কোৱা নিচিনা নালা ভিতৰতে পাইপ যাব আৰু এনক্ৰোচমেণ্ট নালা ওপৰতে ফাউণ্ডেশ্যন খুন্দি কিনা খৰ বনাব eto prahi eto sob jagade khali not only in this place sob jagade problem to ami kan nijoi create kore ase dei eto pra since our commissioner is here DC is here amar disaster management team yate ase dai khenge direction tise aro jodi yate council pra yate ward pra bhanga bole dai kan ready ase koise we will give full protection. Bhanga time de go chamela no homo lage, chamela ole police force potabo, administration pothai ginai koribo. Etia sukriya ase. 4-5 din to apnang koa nisina, nijo khor debi jabo na pare kina bahar pra iyo khalo na thaga. Etia sukrise na pauri bidei. Sukrise ko no homo no ko bidei. Next year bi nagai hobo. Eto pra itu next year rainy season naha kede amyang government ki korula se will take up this matter but report to american yade administration আৰু disaster management আৰু এটো police kan এটো kan report submit কৰা বিচেৰে এটো কামটো start হ'ব and I assure you that I will discuss with our disaster management tadibra কিমান পাৰে আমি kan এটো government লগতে কথা কৰি কিনা নালা কোনটো পাইপ পৰা এটো নালা ব্লক হৈছে এটো বি আমি kan চাই কিনা তাই kan visit কৰিব estimate বনাব এটো তো হাতাই দিবলৈ আমি কোচিছ কৰিব আৰু ইয়াতে নালাতে মৰম প্ৰাইতে আপোনাক কোৱা নিচিনা তোসা খোৰ পোনা খামবি নালা ব্লক কৰি কিনা খোৰ বনাইছে গলে তাই kan এটো ওপৰ নথাকে দে ফাউন্ডেশন খুংটা টাইম দে আমি গে জানাই দিব লাগে দে নহলে তো তাই kan 4-5 তালা উঠা বিছে দে তো আপনার kan action লব গলে তো তাতে ঝামেলা বি হ'ব now whatever you have told us we have taken note of that we will take action after getting the report from administration police and NSDMA ito কৈ আছে হয় আপনার kan তো পাদ আমি সব পজিছে জানিছে তো এটা তো গভর্নমেন্ট functional সব ইয়াতে আছে তাই কামরা রিপোর্ট পঠা বিছে দে we will start taking action এটোই কৈ কিনা আপনার লগতে জানাই আছে thank you on behalf of the government আইছে আমার honorable chief minister তাই বি আহি বলে প্রোগ্রাম তো বনাইছে but he is out of station এটো পৰা আমি kan কি হলেবি কোন কোন জায়গাতে কি হৈ আছে কি প্রবলেম আছে পুরা চাইনা ভিজিট করিবি কই কিনা তাইহে আমি পঠাইছি দে thank you since he is out of station sir for your information for me that the flood হওয়াটো পুরানো পজা পি কারণে flood হয়েছে কই আছে তো যদি এনেকা that was the obstacle এটো হলে আপনার খান পুরানো পজা পি লাগা কাউন্সিল লগ দিবি কথা করি কিনা আপনাকে মিলি কিনা কিনকা করিলে এটো ব্লকেজ না থাকিব আৰু ফ্লাড নহব এটো রিপোর্ট আমি সাবমিট করিব এতিয়া আমি কথা কৈ কিনা চাপৰা নহব ইন রিটন আমি হুকে দিবি এটো পিছে দে আমি কান কোন জায়গাতে কি কৰিব এটো that report will be submitted by DC and police এটো পিছে দে আমি গভর্নমেন্ট ডিসিশন লব নহলে এতিয়া আমি সগলৰা সাবৰা এটো কৰি দিব না পাৰিব হলিবি তাতে আপোনাক কৈ আছে encroacher আছে আৰু নালা পন কৰি কিনা খোৰ বনাই কিনা আছে তাতে আমি কাম গভর্নমেন্ট অ্যাকশন লব গভর্নমেন্ট হাত দিছে কলে we need your full cooperation আপনার কান লাগা ইয়াতে কলোনি লাগা পুরানো ওজা পি লাগা আপনার কাউন্সিল আৰু পোস্টেলিটার কান লাগা কোঅপারেশন লাগিব দে আমি কান এটো নালা পোনা টাইম দে কিবা অবস্টাকল হলে আপনার কান সাপোর্ট কৰিব লাগে এনেকা কৰি কিনা আমি কান এটো আপনার কান লাগা ইস্যুটো we will address your grievances, your problem after you submitting your problem in black and white. Do you anything from this?
Thank you so much, our respected Honorable Deputy CM, our Honorable Advisor, all the heads of the departments, Serba Kwanishna, like Aji Taigan Aigana Sado, Bishi Aman Garni, encouragement ase, and thank you, sir, for your giving your time to visit Dimapur district and also Chumu, Yatibra Aman Chumu bi sabo, libi Kwanishna Aji do Aman sob jaga di loi berabole mon thakile bi pani to subside hoise, libi Kwanishna Aman administration aru departmental officer kan sob saise, apni angi agiri Kwanishna sob colony kan ki libi apni laga report ki ase, etu dibi Aman comprehensive report panayana government ki patabo aru sir brabi sokti etu promise kuri ase like sai দিব কইনা না এটো একদিন ব্ৰ হবলে লাগা নয় আমান আস্তি এটো করব আৰু এটো টাইম দে এতিয়া কোৱা নিচিনা এনক্ৰোচমেন্ট ইস্যু তো বেছি আছে স্যার ড্রেনেজ দি এটোৱে আছে মেইন দো না এটো প্ৰায় হি ব্লকেজ আৰু যদি পাব্লিক কাং কিবি কবলে দো আমান সব এটো কালি মিউনিসিপাল হবি ইষ্ট ডিমাপুৰ টাউন কাউন্সিল হবি এডমিনিষ্ট্ৰেচন কান এটো গভর্নমেন্ট ব্ৰ কইলিবি নব কইলিবি পাব্লিক পি অ্যাওয়ারনেস হ'ব লাগে drainage ti etu moila na pilabole na etu ekta main important ase blockage to saile etu bra ase aman aro unfortunately this time do last time aman chief secretary bra kwa nishna within 3-4 days 450 plus millimeter pani to girise whereas last year record sailo do not even 100 mm na to etu bra bi ekta this time effect kura ase bolibi aman sob miligena aman kam kuribo aro thank you so much for our sirs for visiting our area and public laga grievances side yagani. Thank you.
First of all, we thank God to give this beautiful day. Respected Honorable Deputy Chief Minister of Nagaland, Advisor of Nagaland, and his officer. I am honored and privileged to speak on behalf of the colony. Sir, it's an itself honor to say that you are concerned about our colony. Iniga hagda to le to share works maybe among la tam di share so maybe iniga mohalla colony do badu ha do itself. Alhamdulillah, the Mohalla colony, not only our colony, but the concern for our community. It is my point, not only for our colony, from here we call it a model colony. From the Nala there, that is Mount View, and from there we call it a Sugar Nala. That is under Brana Bazar B. So the main thing, Mohalla last, I think this week, Monday or Tuesday, on our administration along with the DC, I am Mohalla session. So it's clearly they have said some obstacle. Of course, the water is flowing. Other to the jasa will be some pushing. Those who are in pushing, Nala tadi bro obstacle to do. Why I'm saying obstacle? It's big. Tala niche di do the flow jasa. Opposite be flow around brahase. When it's touch that obstacle tadi thaga bro big ja. So that is the main. But so far we find out. To on that day also we went there on the spot along with our Mohalla administrator, DC, staff council like that session. So we were very happy. Honorable Deputy Sempra will see. I understand. We as a leader understand until unless if I didn't mention our grievances. So we'll try to Rana Bazar B la council khani bi mohon kotha ko aru konchina itu to fake ase itu misala kotha noi kene ki obstacle ase mohon itu diye where we hope mohon itu dia chete kinga ole balo mo itu rudona je ase. And once again thank you very much iniga konchina ishi time la thagile bi dia ha do itu also bana ase itu to you standing the road in the middle of the road ida amkan itu bot jasa go no one believe. Only on that Sunday thing to from there to just 1 kilometer. Additional boat to that station rescue brought at Rani. So the water want to decline. Aru Kali Hagona, Bushel Hagona. So until unless Mohan they suspect rather obstacle into the Hatata Toledo, Inigo Havona give us. So Mohan be to consider that Rana Bazar Butange, Pataguna, will write our grievances, the problem side view going on with it. And once again, thank you very much.
Okay. How do we know where is the problem? It is your residence, it is your colony, it is your village. Now you have to tell us where is the problem. Then government will take steps and government will come into action. You only do Amakan identify time like
Olivia Nigan to Chennai, Panai, the government law, the Manigina, government moto, Nikan Banavo, the mega project to the Tisha, maybe just out to Kupana get on. To run up in a
No, I mean get Tari Nidina, it should be through DC. ECB report to you. Comprehensive report or summit report. You get this consult this
23.
Olivia, it was flat one is not to solve it. You can be no one at all. It was only issue is all of the way again.
Oi, I think you over.
Chanta posti pani ahado na or kami ando hawag tayo sa hoy thage.
Nikan nite yate bahatu pani yate aje. Nikan yate bara machu se. So itu level te galo tu uneffective this was. Nikan enne babya to le 30-40 hectare laga mati tu
Underwater type of this time.
So we malaga bi yate hai.
So ki nahi bo lebi tu choy mila sina. Kata berai tu sai ko dai. Aro tate chomang te GCP dokan Ate bra inaga atuna.
Aro jadi ahibo apnang tadi butai dia aro. Belum waktu tadi aja. Ini naga tadi jadi bra kan jadi buta bo apnang tadi buta itu nukuri kita. Jadi bra tarik jadi ni bukannya tabu kamu itu itu permanent hobo. Aro positif cakara hobo. Apnang kan kili amma positif pani kela itu kusan hobo. But 4-5 villages we should discuss for this. If we come up with a project, there should not be any land owner issue. Land owner, I mean, laga mati, tola mati, kutan hola bola. Development issue.
Itu pun hobo sir. Ini mana itu yes, that's very true.
Sir, nah, this
Yeah, DC. This is my advisor.
respected sir, our Deputy CM and Home Minister, local advisor. Our Busti Manu, public leader, village council, Kunibara, and Kamra, and this we are very grateful that Aman, Deputy CM, along with his entourage from Kohima, they have come all the way. Why we selected the 5th mile model village, na, sir? Flooding, though, it took place in many locations. On the other side of the national highway, the town area can, especially Nipole colony, it will be flooding usually. And so also our Tenipe area and even towards Dansari Park area, also many places there were flooding. And even like they were mentioning Unity Village, that will be flooding again, subside flooding. So it comes towards this Tipu Park, this side, Green Park Junction, so that will be flooding. So the water which is flowing out from Tenipe towards Dansari Park, it will be beyond capacity utilization. How to just flow back in case of heavy downpour. So the only solution may be across the road there are some road culverts. So that it will Tenipe, Aro, Unity Village kan laga, Suma side laga, Bani Asitaja kan if they can be drained off the side. And from this side, if there are major irrigation drainages constructed, especially here at the 5th mile, at 7, yes sir. And at 7 mile be all low lying areas, 7 mile be the main drainage. And towards town area, we have identified one location, culvert, but private area there it comes out, so it is blocked. So one drainage na banai that is job na pare. So perhaps town area will be taken up in urban development department into for 7 mile drainage, and especially 5th mile drainage, major drainage to Lagya, sir. So it will be done if through water resources department or disaster management. Supplement.
I want all the department to be here.
So
not only that, not only for this immediate relief, we'll have to take up the metro. So this disaster management, where all the departments are here.
Yes, sir.
Land resource, water resource, all are here. So, but before we take up this issue, you have to submit a detailed report to DC.
Okay, sir.
So that DC will, if you submit the comprehensive report, DC will submit the report to us, and we will discuss in the detail.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
Now, since our CM is out of station,
Right.
on behalf of the government, this is the 10th.
I can imagine.
I've
been hearing.
We are late, sorry.
It's okay.
We went to Niuland.
I heard so.
I thought of to first come here,
Sir.
but DC Niuland, she took us there.
So hijack your convoy.
But that Niuland area also we have to visit.
Of course.
4-5 locations is also.
Okay.
Exactly.
Well, we thank you for taking your time out, showing your concern to us. Thank you so much. And if you don't mind, if we can also have to turn back. No, if we can visit the major site. There, that's about 300 feet.
Okay.
2 more sites.
Another sport.
2 more spots.
Okay.
Similar spots.
Oh, then we'll visit.
It's from now, because once we construct a 10 feet wide
drainage from here. Huge problems will be solved.
She is a water resource
Hello, ma'am.
engineer.
Okay, okay.
So I think for this drainage,
Sir.
from our department, we can take up water resource.
It's going to be a huge project anyway. It has to be. It has to be. Once we construct
What
that.
will be the distance from here?
From here, it can. I think it'll go about several kilometers, 3-4 kilometers. And we want to request the government to do it properly, not just a narrow one, but then with enough width, so that. So otherwise, these are more or less plain areas. It'll be like Vilhume Colony or Burma Camp. Once it drizzles, it'll get flooded. But we want to have that vision that 50 years from now, 100 years from now, if that can be avoided.
Yeah.
And if we have to do things now, it's possible because the landowners are readily coming forward to give their land.
Okay, there won't be any issue.
Compensation, nothing like that. At least here in Sovima, we are not burdened with that compensation baggage.
If government has to take up, there should not be any land owner problem.
That the council will take care, sir. Sir.
Yeah. So, after submitting the reports by DC,
Sure.
we will surely take up.
Let us by Monday, Tuesday, we'll hand over to our ESC sub.
Okay.
Then we'll keep following you up.
CM will be coming only after 20.
I see.
But as soon
But
as
before that
CM
paperwork
comes,
should be ready.
Yeah, before that paperwork should be ready.
Sir. Sir.
So as soon as CM comes here,
Sir.
I will personally meet him.
Okay, sir.
And share
Okay,
your
sir.
problems.
Thank you so
that
much.
We can discuss in the cabinet.
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you so much.
So it's a lowland. Most of the last time it was only up to this much. All this runway was flat. So it took around 7 to 8 hours to subside.
Any improvement here?
No, we had no break. No. Only the thing is this place. So
And the main discover everything, the colony doing the together, and then we have done this culvert. And then after we have done, that means outlet to the Chati River, only this one outlet to the Chati River.
Tony, yes sir. Yes sir. अच्छा अपना काम डिपार्टमेंट राबी डिसास्टर राबी हम लोग कम्युनिकेट करेंगे
तो collection पूरी जना बना लगा.
And after a few months, we got a little bit of money. After once it's done.
Hey, the disaster राबी ये लग रहा है तो कौन होगा? For the road to we are not no only this bridge.
Oh, that's bridge, yeah.
So we have contributed to them with the council. Anyway, from your disaster management also, let us do something here. And from water resource department, please tell the engineer to come for spot verification, submit proper estimates. And individual
And up there also, that retaining wall, we are also doing that also. Yeah. Last week, colony residence collection, we are doing that also, repairing on emergency basis. Yeah.
Ya te aquí te hace.
State department kon lagode approach kori saje itia we are not in a position to solve this problem right now inika koise tai kon to PWD itu karone amakan kobo na para laga problem face kori ase ama itu bi mainstream ekta ase aru opore thakia to hoise hole awim para sithike para pani sob ahikine itia bi 7-8 household to hole enter koribo na pare ase itu laga problem to hole
itu kon rasta to R&D soje nala itu damage hua kan wal thanga itu kon disaster management aru water resource protection.
Okay sir,
it will be under this NSDMA and water resource.
Okay,
not R&D to rasta yo
কিন্তু কালভার দিয়া মারি কিনে পানি সব ফ্লাড কৰি কিনে বস্তি কলনি সব দুপাদ হলে মেইন প্ৰবলেম ডাঙৰ একটা তো আছে
আমি লাষ্ট
নেক্সট প্ৰবলেম নিমিতে I just want to give a remark so let's one has to
খালি না
okay
So these two, there was no witness but
city kino apna ami to
Ibrahim did or
I think there was outlet beside.
but you
pani anibo mat daga nigala pani
to hoise every spot laga landscape to olop ucha hoise hamian la drainage to niche hoise kidura babra ulam na pare block hoise tate kidura pani to sob block hoy gine sob block hone jai gine to the cold storage ase man tak to flood hoy jai so all these houses we can see around it one sob flood affected area ase sob affected ase this school remains closed itu Sacred Heart School ase itu bi bond hoise one more private school is Buddha Memorial School niche de ase itu bi Sir Charlie laga hamian la chairman laga tik gor laga age de itu bi sob flood hoise or to school bi khal itu bond hoise de to ami khan etia propose kora to ami khan posi outlet duita ekdom urgent lagi ase ami khan itu নহলে তো আমি এখন বস্তি তো পানি গিলে তো ওটাই সব ফ্লাড দেই থাকে so we are very thankful that আমি আং কনসার্ন দিকিনে আমি আংগে মরম কৰি কিনে আমি আম বস্তি মত পৰিবলে আহা কাৰণে বেছি থ্যাঙ্কস হৈছে উল্টা পুল্টা কৰি দি আছে অলৰেডি ইনিকা আছে আউটলেট একটা তো ফিজিবিলিটি একটা আছে ওপৰতে or another point is over here official tuni
I don't think they've reached yet.
Right school.
yes sir yeah
to apna kan yate green park de chabole noy kina yate pra tate yate pra noy kina opor pra nala tangor bonai kina thade river chabole rasta sina na
yeah mega project na ekta mega project ekta banale de
for 4-5 villages.
Yeah.
And not only for this, you say that you have 5 villages here. Pansta posti laga pani do itu chade river di chabole rasta ase.
Why ase.
No, itu land issue thani bona na.
Issue itu to why will discuss. Aku no why koi jabo.
Mana dengan Nagaland dole to kam koribo, sinna koribo kole ki mage pra koribo mare to na.
Koi jabo itu to aku no itu to hamian bosi mane
restore. To pura apna kan yate green park ka to aru to problem ase to. Tadi bi piche to kon hole
hoye gela to ase
to pona time pra 4-5 posti karne nala tangor pona gina chadere ber chabole. Jadi to hoise to there should not be any land owner issue. Itu apna kan 4-5 kotha bolila.
Sir to
who is Johnny from disaster management.
We are very fortunate that the DC as well as the EAC has been very forthcoming. When we face this kind of thing, they themselves came rushing in spite of the heat yesterday. We walked the entire stretch.
Especially in Dimapur, where our city is also very big.
Of course. Yes. Very popular CP, and we are glad to hear that his promotion is also new. But with the request that he be retained here.
I think we will not create that precedence now.
That is also there, but it should be based on performance.
Sir, I had enough, sir.
We haven't had enough of you yet. He has been doing very exceedingly well. True.
You have another
sports university.
You don't have proper drainage.
Natural drainages were there, but then this year the rains were massively excessive.
Heavy rain on this.
Unprecedented. No, here also. Massive. This is on it. This is more than 300 feet. Traditionally, we used to have one footpath from there coming to our traditional well. But then, unfortunately, the mudslide had covered the traditional well. And both the footpaths here as well as there, the road blocked.
And even the road is also blocked.
Even the road is blocked. And the houses up there. They are not sleeping in the houses now. They're staying in the neighborhood. As soon as possible.
Submit to our DC.
DC, we will request the DC to hurry it up to the disaster people, and we hope that the Chief Minister also comes very soon, and your cabinet can also take up a matter, because here in Dimapur, landslide, this is something.
2 years.
I think so. And the soil, it's not a stable soil, and like I was saying earlier, the rains this year was amazingly excessive.
Our back side as a stream this na. It flows and then from that side
Water came to side.
Yeah. So this crystal also and then this first of you crystal they make this one. For them it was also overflown and so
We're really very sad, very unfortunate. We have already visited 10 flood affected area. So I've already given direction to our administration and police to put up a comprehensive report to the government so that we will discuss in the cabinet. Yeah, we will take care. Well, I cannot give assurance now unless we get a report. We cannot give assurance now, but we will surely do the needful to the affected areas. I am glad, I'm happy that you all are here with me the whole day. So we will try our best to do the best. And I want to appeal and request all those encroachers and those building obstructing the drainage to immediately remove. So in few places, I think we need to request them to remove those encroachers. Now, since they are newly elected, we cannot blame them also. We have already given direction to the council members. So, they should not all depend on government. So, we will discuss with those councillors also. Those things we are going to discuss.
So March it came half of the
It is not yet, I think that is not yet finalized for allocation of the fund to district-wise.
But I think surely we will give special, we will give special importance to Dimapur, Niuland, and Chumu. I think TC have visited that spot, no? TC and disaster management.
My admin officers, along with the DDMA officials, they have visited, and we have given some emergency relief fund.
Okay. Whether you have sent those to the state government?
Those, the detailed damage assessment will do, and then we'll be submitting it to the NSDMA.
So only after submitting the assessment, we will.
Sir, like my apprehension is that like last year here, apne TC पर 10,000 होचे होचे आदिशे होचे तो इंसिडेंट होइले तो लास्ट ईयर भी होचे दिस ईयर भी होचे तो होइले तो प्रीवियस ईयर लगा होइना थाका लगा ओपरे तो आपने की रिलीफ दिना सर
Previous year, we had submitted our proposal to the NSDMA, and we didn't get any sanction as yet in respect of those cases.
Last year, as only 10,000.
That is from immediate relief fund, and the damage assessment, the proposals we had sent to the government. But it's up to the government to approve whatever schemes there are many schemes which we propose to the government, but the approval comes from the state level. So whichever schemes are approved, that only we can assist.
So by the norms of disaster assistance, even if a large building collapse, we are eligible to give only 1,30,000. And then if you are going for the rebuilding, reconstruction, then that comes under 2 lakhs for a building. So that is a relief assistance only. So that is the from the disaster management side for the owner of the house.
So since DC have already submitted a report to the state government, after Sim reached Nagaland, he is out of station. So after he returned back, we will discuss. We need full cooperation from that particular colony or the ward. Now, as I've said in government high school interaction with those councillors, they say that they will take care, there won't be any land encroachment, they will even start demolishing those buildings. So since they have given assurance, we may be compelled from the state government side also, with the support of administration and police, we may be compelled to demolish those encroachers. Yes.
Nagaland TV, Sop Manulaga Awas. Watch us live on Geo TV and on your television sets as well. For Dimapur viewers, we are on channel number 994 in Global Chapter, and Kohima and Mokokchung viewers, switch to channel number 138 on Hornbill Digital. For all news and updates, follow us on Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, and Twitter.